Patina is the green or blue film on the surface of bronze or similar metals, produced by oxidation over a long period. Don't want to wait? I'll show you how to get the look in one afternoon. To get the patina effect, I'm using Modern Masters Metal Effects Kit. The kit includes a primer, oxidizing bronze paint, and a spray-on blue patina aging solution. First, place something down to protect your work surface. I started with a metal candle holder from the thrift store. Add your first coat of primer. Allow to dry for 1/2 hour, then add a second coat. After the second coat has dried for 2 hours, paint the primed surface with 1 coat of bronze paint. Allow the paint to dry for at least 30 minutes. Next, apply a second coat of bronze paint. And while it's still wet, spray a light coating of the blue patina solution. As the activated surface dries, a blue patina finish will appear after about 30 to 40 minutes. I hope this video inspires you to try the patina finish on something for your home.